The night sky stretches endlessly above us, a canvas of infinite stars, each one a beacon of light from millions or even billions of years ago. Did you know that within the observable universe, there are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each home to billions of stars? It's a number so vast, it defies comprehension. Yet, this is just the beginning. Beyond the numbers and the science, there's something deeper, a sense of wonder that connects us to the cosmos in ways we're only beginning to understand. Welcome to the infinite celestial reverie of cosmic wonders, a meditative odyssey through the infinite cosmos. This isn't just a journey through space and time, it's an exploration of the profound beauty and mystery that lies at the heart of the universe. What if the cosmos holds secrets not just for our minds, but for our souls? Together, we'll traverse the stars, uncover astonishing facts, and pause to reflect on the awe-inspiring scale of existence. Along the way, we'll blend cosmic exploration with moments of meditative insight, creating an experience that is as much about inner discovery as it is about the outer reaches of space. Are you ready to embark on this odyssey? Let's begin. Picture the universe as an ever-expanding masterpiece, a cosmic canvas where time itself is the artist. Each brushstroke is a galaxy, each swirl of color a nebula, and every explosion of light a supernova. This is not just a random scattering of stars. It's a living, breathing work of art, constantly evolving and revealing new wonders. Take, for example, the Orion Nebula, a stellar nursery where stars are born amidst clouds of gas and dust. Its vibrant hues of pink, blue, and gold are not just beautiful to behold. They tell the story of creation itself, a process that has been unfolding for billions of years. Then there are the cataclysmic events that shape the cosmos, like supernova. These explosive deaths of massive stars scatter the building blocks of life across the universe, seeding new worlds and possibilities. And what of black holes, those enigmatic regions where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape? Far from being voids of emptiness, they are cosmic architects, shaping galaxies and influencing the very fabric of space-time. Philosophers and astronomers alike have long been captivated by these celestial phenomena. Carl Sagan once remarked that the cosmos is within us, that we are made of star stuff. This idea bridges the gap between science and wonder, reminding us that the beauty of the universe is not just out there, it's a part of us. The intricate dance of galaxies, the delicate balance of forces that govern their motion, all hint at a deeper connection between the cosmos and our own existence. As we gaze at these wonders, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe and humility. How does the beauty of the cosmos reflect the mysteries within us? Perhaps the vastness of space mirrors the depths of our own consciousness, urging us to explore not just the stars, but the uncharted territories of our inner worlds. This interplay between outer exploration and inner reflection is what makes cosmic discovery so profoundly transformative. And so, as we continue this journey through the infinite, let's pause for a moment to truly absorb the grandeur of what surrounds us. The universe is not just a place of scientific inquiry, it's a source of endless inspiration, a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie both above and within. What new wonders will we uncover as we venture further into the cosmic unknown? Long before telescopes and satellites, ancient civilizations gazed at the night sky and saw more than just stars. They saw a reflection of their own lives woven into the cosmos. The Babylonians mapped the heavens to predict the rise and fall of kingdoms, while the Mayans believed the stars were divine messages guiding their destiny. These cultures understood something profound, that the universe is not a collection of isolated objects, but a vast, interconnected tapestry. Today, science echoes this ancient wisdom. Every atom in your body, every breath you take, can be traced back to the explosive birth of the universe, the Big Bang. From that single moment, all matter, energy, and life emerged, bound together in an intricate web of existence. Carl Sagan famously said, "The cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff." This poetic truth is grounded in the reality of stellar alchemy. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, and the oxygen you breathe were forged in the fiery hearts of dying stars, scattered across the cosmos in supernova explosions. These elements traveled billions of years through space, eventually becoming part of Earth and part of you. The Dalai Lama once remarked, "We are all interconnected, and our actions ripple through the universe." This sentiment aligns with the scientific concept of the cosmic web, a vast network of galaxies and dark matter that binds the universe together. Just as a single thread connects a spider's web, every particle, every star, and every galaxy is linked in this grand design. Even the seemingly insignificant can have cosmic consequences. Take the butterfly effect, a concept from chaos theory, which suggests that a small change in one part of a system can lead to profound effects elsewhere. A butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil could, in theory, set off a chain reaction that alters the weather in Texas. Similarly, your existence, no matter how small it may feel in the scale of the universe, is a vital part of this interconnected whole. As we reflect on this unity, it's worth asking, what does it mean to be part of something so vast and interconnected? How does this understanding shape the way we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos? The answers may lie not just in scientific discovery, but in the meditative moments where we pause to feel this connection. To truly grasp the interconnectedness of all things is to see the universe not as a distant, cold expanse, but as a living, breathing entity of which we are an inseparable part. This realization invites us to contemplate not only the stars above, but also the profound connections that bind us to each other and to the cosmos itself. The ancient stargazers may not have had the tools of modern science, but they understood something timeless, that the universe is not just out there, it's within us, around us, and woven into the very fabric of our being. Time flows through the universe like an eternal river, carrying with it the echoes of the past, the whispers of the present, and the promises of the future. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, time is not a linear path, but a vast, interconnected web, stretching from the first moments of the Big Bang to the distant, unfathomable future. Human lifespans, measured in mere decades, are but fleeting ripples on the surface of this cosmic river. Yet, even in our brief existence, we are part of something far greater, a timeline that spans billions of years and encompasses the birth and death of stars, the rise and fall of galaxies, and the endless dance of matter and energy. Consider the light from a distant star, traveling through the void for millions or even billions of years before it reaches our eyes. When we gaze at that star, we are not just seeing a point of light. We are glimpsing a moment frozen in time, a snapshot of the universe as it was eons ago. This light, born in the fiery heart of a star, has journeyed across unimaginable distances, carrying with it the story of a universe that is both ancient and ever-changing. It reminds us that the cosmos operates on a time scale that defies human comprehension, where a single heartbeat is but a fraction of a cosmic second. Physicists tell us that time itself is relative, bending and warping in the presence of massive objects like black holes, or moving at different speeds depending on your perspective. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity revealed that time is not a fixed constant, but a fluid, dynamic force, intricately woven into the fabric of space. This means that the passage of time can vary depending on where you are in the universe or how fast you are moving. For instance, an astronaut traveling near the speed of light would experience time differently than someone on Earth. This relativity of time challenges our everyday understanding of existence, suggesting that the past, present, and future may not be as distinct as they seem. In the face of such vastness, it's natural to wonder, what does it mean to exist in a universe where time is both infinite and fleeting? How do we reconcile our brief, fragile lives with the timeless expanse of the cosmos? These questions invite us to reflect not just on the nature of time, but on our place within it. Perhaps the answer lies in embracing the present moment, recognizing that even in the grand sweep of cosmic time, every instant holds significance. Meditative practices offer a way to connect with this timelessness, allowing us to step outside the rush of daily life and tune into the deeper rhythms of the universe. By quieting the mind and focusing on the breath, we can experience a sense of eternity, a fleeting glimpse of the infinite. In these moments, the boundaries of time seem to dissolve, and we find ourselves united with the cosmos in a profound and timeless way. As we continue this journey, let's carry this awareness with us, allowing it to deepen our connection to the universe and to ourselves. The timelessness of the cosmos is not just a scientific concept. It's an invitation to explore the depths of our own existence and to find meaning in the fleeting beauty of the present moment. The silence of space is unlike anything we experience on Earth. Out there, beyond the thin veil of our atmosphere, there is no air to carry sound, no rustling of leaves, no hum of machines, no chatter of voices, only an overwhelming, profound stillness. Astronauts who have ventured into this void often describe it as both awe-inspiring and humbling. Chris Hadfield, a veteran of space travel, once reflected on the quiet of space, saying, "It's not just the absence of sound, it's the presence of something greater, a silence so vast it makes you feel small and connected at the same time." This silence isn't empty, it's alive with possibility, a canvas for the mind to explore. In our modern lives, we're surrounded by constant noise, rings, alerts, chatter, and the endless hum of activity. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, to lose ourselves in the chaos, but the silence of space offers a powerful metaphor for inner stillness, a reminder that beneath the noise, there is a deep, unchanging quiet waiting to be discovered. Mindfulness practices, like meditation, teach us to tune into this inner silence, to find a moment of peace amidst the turbulence. Just as the cosmos holds a stillness beyond the stars, we too carry a quiet center within us, a place of calm and clarity. Consider the Hubble Deep Field image, one of the most profound snapshots of the universe ever captured. At first glance, it appears to be a patch of empty space, a void. But when we look closer, we see thousands of galaxies, each one a swirling island of stars, planets, and possibilities. This image reminds us that what seems like emptiness is often filled with hidden wonders. The same is true of silence. When we embrace it, we begin to notice the subtle beauty within, the steady rhythm of our breath, the quiet hum of our thoughts, the deeper awareness that emerges when we let the noise fade away. Astronaut Edgar Mitchell, who walked on the moon during the Apollo 14 mission, described his experience of space as a moment of profound interconnectedness. He said, "You develop an instant global consciousness, a people orientation, an intense dissatisfaction with the state of the world, and a compulsion to do something about it." From out there on the moon, international politics look so petty. His words echo the transformative power of stillness, not just the silence of space, but the inner stillness that allows us to see the world with fresh eyes. In our busy lives, finding moments of silence can feel like a luxury, but it's in these moments that we reconnect with ourselves and the universe. Try this. The next time you step outside at night, take a moment to pause. Look up at the stars and let the silence of the cosmos sink in. Feel the stillness within you, that quiet space where thoughts slow down and the world feels a little more connected. Whether it's through meditation, a walk in nature, or simply sitting in silence, these moments can open the door to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe. The silence of space isn't just a physical phenomenon, it's an invitation to slow down, to listen, and to discover the infinite within. As we continue this journey through the cosmos, let's carry this awareness with us, allowing the stillness to guide us toward a deeper connection with the stars, with each other, and with the quiet center of our own being. The universe is a place of unimaginable scale, where distances stretch so far that even light, racing at over 186,000 miles per second, takes billions of years to cross them. Consider this. The nearest galaxy to our own Milky Way, Andromeda, lies 2.5 million light-years away. That means the light we see from Andromeda tonight began its journey long before humans walked the Earth. And yet, Andromeda is just one of countless galaxies scattered across the cosmos, each separated by vast, seemingly empty expanses. Superclusters, the largest structures in the universe, span hundreds of millions of light years, containing thousands of galaxies in intricate, web-like formations. These distances are so immense that they challenge our very understanding of space and time, forcing us to rethink what it means to exist within such a boundless reality. Cosmologists often describe the universe as a fractal of infinity, a place where every corner reveals new layers of complexity and wonder. Some theories suggest that our universe might be just one of many, part of a multiverse, where countless other realities exist beyond our reach. This idea of infinity isn't just a scientific concept, it's a profound philosophical question. If the universe truly has no end, what does that mean for our sense of purpose? How do we find meaning in a cosmos that stretches beyond comprehension. To grasp this infinite scale, imagine standing on the shore of an endless ocean. The horizon stretches endlessly in every direction, and no matter how far you sail, there's always more to explore. The universe is much like this ocean, vast and mysterious, with depths we've only begun to fathom. Yet, unlike the ocean, the cosmos doesn't have a shoreline. It simply goes on, defying our attempts to measure or contain it. This boundless nature invites us to reconsider our place within it. On Earth, our problems and challenges can feel overwhelming, but when viewed against the backdrop of the infinite universe, they take on a different perspective. How does this infinite scale change the way we see ourselves and our struggles? Perhaps it reminds us that we are both insignificant and extraordinary, tiny specks in the grand scheme of things, yet part of a universe that is alive with possibility. This duality can be both humbling and empowering, offering a sense of connection to something far greater than ourselves. Meditative practices can help us embrace this vastness, allowing us to step outside the confines of our daily lives and tap into the infinite. By focusing on the breath or visualizing the endless expanse of the cosmos, we can cultivate a sense of awe and wonder, grounding ourselves in the present moment while connecting to the timeless. This practice isn't about escaping reality, but about finding peace within it, recognizing that we are part of a universe that is both infinite and intimately connected. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let's carry this awareness with us, allowing the infinite scale of the universe to inspire curiosity, humility, and a deeper connection to the world around us. The vastness of space isn't just a scientific marvel, it's an invitation to expand our minds and our hearts, to see ourselves not as separate from the universe, but as an integral part of its endless story. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, light and darkness perform an eternal dance, a delicate interplay that shapes the universe and everything within it. From the fiery birth of stars to the enigmatic depths of black holes, this duality is not just a physical phenomenon, it is a fundamental rhythm of existence. Light, the radiant energy of creation, bursts forth in brilliant novas and glows softly in distant nebulae, illuminating the cosmos with its warmth and life. Darkness, on the other hand, is not merely the absence of light, but a canvas of mystery, holding secrets and possibilities that challenge our understanding. Together, they create a cosmic balance, a harmony that echoes through the universe and resonates within us. Consider the auroras, those breathtaking displays of light that paint the night skies near Earth's poles. These shimmering curtains of color are born from the collision of solar particles with our atmosphere, a meeting of light and energy that transforms darkness into a spectacle of wonder. Eclipses, too, remind us of this interplay, as the moon's shadow momentarily veils the sun, revealing the delicate equilibrium between illumination and obscurity. These celestial events are not just scientific marvels, they are metaphors for the balance of opposites that define our lives. Philosophers and astronomers have long pondered the symbolism of light and darkness. Carl Jung, the Swiss psychologist, saw them as archetypes representing the conscious and unconscious mind, the known and the unknown. In the same way, the cosmos teaches us that darkness is not something to fear but a space of potential, where new stars are born and galaxies take shape. Astronomers often speak of the dark matter that holds the universe together, invisible yet essential, much like the unseen forces that shape our inner worlds. This cosmic dance invites us to reflect on our own lives. How often do we resist the darkness, whether it's the challenges we face or the parts of ourselves we don't fully understand? What if, instead of fearing it, we embraced it as a necessary counterpart to light? The universe shows us that both are essential: light for growth and clarity, darkness for rest and renewal. Without one, the other loses its meaning. Meditative practices offer a way to explore this duality within ourselves. By sitting in stillness and observing the interplay of light and shadow in our thoughts and emotions, we can begin to find harmony. Imagine a simple exercise. Close your eyes and visualize a starry sky. Notice how the stars shine brighter against the backdrop of darkness. This is not just a cosmic truth, but a metaphor for our own lives. Our moments of brilliance are often born from the challenges we faced, the times we've navigated the unknown. As we continue this journey, let's carry this awareness with us, allowing the dance of light and darkness to guide our understanding of both the cosmos and ourselves. The universe, in all its complexity, offers us a profound lesson. That balance is not about choosing one over the other, but embracing both as essential parts of the whole. What can this cosmic harmony teach us about finding peace within our own lives? Perhaps the answer lies in recognizing that light and darkness are not opposites but partners, forever intertwined in the beautiful, ever-evolving dance of existence. Deep within the fabric of the cosmos lies one of the most mysterious and captivating phenomena in the universe: black holes. These enigmatic regions of space, where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape, challenge our understanding of reality itself. Imagine a cosmic whirlpool pulling everything into its grasp: stars, gas, even time itself bending under its influence. Black holes are not just voids of emptiness. They are dynamic, powerful forces that shape the very structure of galaxies and influence the flow of the universe. Scientists believe black holes form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycles. This collapse creates a singularity, a point of infinite density, where the laws of physics, as we know them, break down. Around this singularity lies the event horizon, the boundary beyond which nothing can escape. It's a point of no return, a threshold that marks the edge of our understanding. Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest minds in modern physics, spent much of his career unraveling the mysteries of black holes. He proposed that these cosmic giants aren't entirely black. They emit radiation, now known as Hawking radiation, slowly evaporating over unimaginable spans of time. This discovery hinted at a profound connection between black holes and the fundamental laws of quantum mechanics, opening new doors to understanding the universe's deepest secrets. Black holes are more than just scientific curiosities. They are cosmic architects. At the center of nearly every galaxy, including our own Milky Way, lies a supermassive black hole. These colossal entities, millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun, play a crucial role in the formation and evolution of galaxies. They act as gravitational anchors, pulling stars and gas into orbits that shape the galaxy's structure. Without black holes, the universe as we know it might look entirely different. Yet, for all we've learned, black holes remain shrouded in mystery. They challenge our perception of space and time, bending the rules of physics in ways that push the boundaries of human comprehension. What lies beyond the event horizon? Is there a way to reconcile the laws of quantum mechanics with the immense gravity of a singularity? These questions remind us that the universe is far more complex and wondrous than we can imagine. What can the mystery of black holes teach us about embracing the unknown in our own lives? Just as these cosmic phenomena defy explanation, life often presents us with questions that have no easy answers. The journey into the unknown, whether in science or in life, requires curiosity, courage, and a willingness to explore the uncharted. Meditative practices can offer a way to navigate this uncertainty. By turning inward and embracing the stillness within, we can find a sense of grounding even when faced with life's mysteries. Imagine sitting in quiet reflection, visualizing the vastness of space and the enigmatic presence of a black hole. In that moment, the unknown becomes not something to fear, but a source of wonder and possibility. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let's carry this sense of curiosity and openness with us. Black holes remind us that the universe is full of questions waiting to be answered, and that sometimes the journey of discovery is just as important as the destination. What new insights will we uncover as we venture further into the cosmic unknown? The answer lies in our willingness to embrace the mystery and let it guide us toward deeper understanding. In the heart of the cosmos, stars are born in a blaze of light and energy, emerging from vast clouds of gas and dust, known as nebulae. These stellar nurseries, like the Orion Nebula, are cosmic cradles where gravity pulls together particles until the pressure and heat ignite nuclear fusion, giving birth to a star. It's a process of both chaos and creation, a reminder that even in the vast emptiness of space, life, in its own celestial form, finds a way to begin. But just as stars are born, they also die, their lives ending in ways as dramatic as their beginnings. Some, like our sun, will expand into red giants before gently shedding their outer layers, leaving behind a glowing core called a white dwarf. Others, more massive and volatile, will explode in a fiery supernova, scattering their elements across the cosmos in a brilliant finale. Take, for instance, the Crab Nebula, the remnants of a supernova observed by astronomers nearly 1,000 years ago. This expanding cloud of gas and dust, illuminated by the energy of a pulsar at its center, is a testament to the transformative power of stellar death. From the ashes of that explosion, new stars and planets will eventually form, continuing the cycle of creation. Even Betelgeuse, the red supergiant in the constellation Orion, stands as a reminder of this cosmic rhythm. Though it shines brightly now, astronomers predict it could go supernova at any time, perhaps tomorrow, perhaps in 100,000 years. Its light a fleeting beacon in the grand timeline of the universe. The life cycle of stars is more than just a scientific process. It's a profound metaphor for the rhythms of existence. Just as stars are born, burn brightly, and eventually fade, so too do all things in the universe, including us. The elements forged in the hearts of stars, from the carbon in our bones to the oxygen we breathe, are the very building blocks of life. In this way, the death of a star is not an end, but a beginning, a release of materials that will one day become part of new worlds, new life, and new stories. Astronomers often speak of stellar evolution as a cosmic dance, a cycle of creation and destruction that shapes the universe on the grandest scales. But what can this dance teach us about our own lives? Perhaps it's a reminder that change is not something to fear, but a natural, even beautiful, part of existence. Just as stars transform, so do we, through the seasons of life, through growth, loss, and renewal. This understanding invites us to embrace impermanence, to find peace in the knowledge that all things, no matter how vast or enduring, are part of a greater cycle. A simple meditative practice can help us connect with this idea. Sit quietly and visualize a star glowing brightly in the night sky. Imagine its life from birth to death and reflect on how its journey mirrors your own. In this moment of stillness, you might find a deeper appreciation for the fleeting beauty of life and the infinite possibilities that come with change. As we ponder the life and death of stars, we're reminded that the cosmos is not a static place, but a living, evolving tapestry of stories. Each star, each supernova, each nebula is a thread in this grand design, weaving together the past, present, and future. What new stories will emerge from the ashes of dying stars? What transformations await us, both in the universe and within ourselves? The answers lie in the endless cycle of creation, destruction, and renewal, a cycle as old as the cosmos itself. Did you know that space, though silent to our ears, is filled with a symphony of sound? While the vacuum of space prevents sound waves from traveling as they do on Earth, scientists have found ways to translate the vibrations and frequencies of cosmic phenomena into music. From the eerie hum of black holes to the rhythmic pulses of distant stars, the universe is alive with a hidden orchestra, waiting to be heard. Take, for example, the pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star that emits beams of radiation like a cosmic lighthouse. These beams create rhythmic pulses, some so precise they rival the accuracy of atomic clocks. When astrophysicists convert these pulses into sound, they produce a haunting, almost musical rhythm, a celestial beat that echoes through the void. Similarly, the sun, our closest star, vibrates with deep, resonant tones caused by pressure waves rippling through its interior. These vibrations, known as solar oscillations, can be translated into low, resonant hums, revealing the sun's inner workings in a way that feels almost alive. Astrophysicists and musicians have joined forces to bring these cosmic sounds to life, creating symphonies that blend science and art. Projects like NASA Sonification program transform data from telescopes and probes into audible melodies, turning the hum of distant galaxies or the crackle of solar flares into compositions that stir the soul. These collaborations remind us that the universe isn't just a place of cold, hard facts. It's a source of beauty and inspiration, a reminder that science and creativity are deeply intertwined. But what can these cosmic sounds teach us about our own lives? The rhythms of pulsars, the vibrations of the sun, and the hum of black holes all point to a fundamental truth. The universe is in constant motion, a dance of energy and matter that follows its own intricate patterns. These patterns, though vast and complex, are not chaotic. They are harmonious, a testament to the delicate balance that governs the cosmos. In the same way, our own lives are filled with rhythms, heartbeats, breath, the cycles of day and night that connect us to the greater symphony of existence. This realization invites us to listen more deeply, not just to the sounds of the universe, but to the rhythms within ourselves. Meditative practices, like deep listening or sound baths, can help us tune into these inner harmonies, creating a sense of connection and calm. Imagine sitting in stillness, letting the imagined hum of a distant star or the pulse of a pulsar guide your breath. In that moment, the boundary between the cosmos and your own inner world begins to blur, revealing a profound sense of unity. As we continue this journey through the infinite, let's take a moment to truly listen to the stars, to the silence, and to the quiet rhythms within. The music of the cosmos is not just a scientific curiosity. It's an invitation to explore the harmony that connects us all. What new melodies will we discover as we tune into the symphony of the universe? The answer lies in our willingness to listen, to feel, and to embrace the beauty of the cosmic dance. What if the universe we know is just one page in an infinite cosmic library? This is the heart of the multiverse theory, a concept that has fascinated scientists and dreamers alike. The idea suggests that beyond our observable universe, there may be countless other realities, each with its own unique laws of physics, histories, and possibilities. Some of these universes might be nearly identical to ours, differing only in the smallest details, like a world where you chose a different path at a pivotal moment. Others could be so alien that they defy our wildest imagination, where gravity works in reverse or time flows sideways. The multiverse theory isn't just science fiction. It has roots in quantum physics and cosmology. For instance, the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics proposes that every decision or random event branches off into a new universe, creating an ever-expanding tree of realities. Meanwhile, string theory suggests that our universe might be one of many brains floating in a higher dimensional space, like sheets of paper stacked together but never touching. These theories, though still speculative, challenge us to rethink what we know about existence itself. Cosmologists like Max Tegmark have explored the philosophical implications of the multiverse, suggesting that if infinite universes exist, every conceivable outcome must occur somewhere. This means that in one reality, dinosaurs never went extinct. In another, humanity discovered interstellar travel long ago. The sheer scale of possibility is both exhilarating and humbling. But what does this mean for us, here and now? If infinite versions of ourselves exist, each making different choices, how do we find meaning in our own lives? One way to approach this question is through the lens of imagination. The multiverse theory invites us to dream bigger, to consider that the boundaries of our reality might be far more flexible than we think. It's like standing in front of a cosmic library, where every book tells a different story, and every page holds a new adventure. What would it feel like to explore these alternate realities, even if only in our minds? This is where meditative practice comes in. By closing our eyes and visualizing the infinite possibilities of the multiverse, we can tap into a sense of wonder and creativity that transcends our everyday lives. Imagine sitting quietly, picturing yourself in a world where your boldest dreams have come true. What does it look like? How does it feel? This exercise isn't about escaping reality, but about expanding it, reminding us that the choices we make here and now are part of a much larger tapestry. The Multiverse Theory doesn't just challenge our understanding of the cosmos, it invites us to reflect on the nature of possibility itself. What dreams might we pursue if we truly believed that anything is possible? What choices would we make if we saw our lives as one thread in an infinite web of realities? These questions don't have easy answers, but they inspire us to embrace curiosity, creativity, and the boundless potential within us. As we ponder the multiverse, we're reminded that the universe, or universes, are not just places of physical exploration, but realms of imagination and wonder. Whether or not parallel worlds exist, the idea of infinite possibilities can transform how we see our own lives, encouraging us to dream boldly and live with intention. What new horizons might we discover if we dare to imagine beyond the limits of what we know? The answer lies in the stories we tell ourselves and the worlds we create, both within and beyond the stars. Since the dawn of humanity, we have looked to the stars not just for navigation or wonder, but as a mirror reflecting our deepest questions, dreams, and fears. The cosmos, vast and infinite, has always held a peculiar power. It doesn't just show us the universe, it shows us ourselves. Ancient cultures understood this intuitively. When they gazed at the night sky, they didn't see random points of light. They saw stories. The stars became constellations, each one a canvas for myths, legends, and lessons about life. Orion, the hunter, was not just a pattern of stars, but a symbol of courage and ambition. Cassiopeia, the queen, was a reminder of pride and consequence. Even the zodiac, with its 12 signs, was a way to connect the movements of the heavens to the rhythms of human life. This tendency to see ourselves in the stars is more than just a cultural phenomenon. It's deeply rooted in our psychology. Carl Jung, the renowned psychologist, spoke of the human inclination to project meaning onto the world around us. He called it the collective unconscious, a shared reservoir of symbols and archetypes that resonate across cultures and time. The stars, with their timeless beauty and mystery, became a natural canvas for these projections. They allowed us to externalize our inner world, turning abstract emotions and ideas into something tangible and universal. But what does this cosmic mirror reveal about us today? When we look at the stars, what do we see? Perhaps we see our own potential, a reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves. Or maybe we see our struggles mirrored in the vast, sometimes overwhelming expanse of the universe. The beauty of this reflection is that it's deeply personal. For some, the stars might evoke a sense of wonder and possibility. For others, they might bring a quiet reassurance, a reminder that even in the face of life's uncertainties, there is a larger order at work. This connection between the cosmos and our inner world invites us to engage in a meditative practice of self-reflection. Imagine sitting under a clear night sky, letting your gaze rest on the constellations above. As you trace the lines of Orion or Cassiopeia, allow their stories to spark your own. What patterns do you see in your life? What myths or lessons resonate with you? This isn't about finding definitive answers, but about opening a dialogue with the universe, and in turn with yourself. The stars, in their silent brilliance, offer us a unique opportunity to explore our own depths. They remind us that the universe is not just out there, it's within us, a part of our very being. As we continue this journey through the cosmos, let's carry this awareness with us, allowing the cosmic mirror to guide our understanding of both the universe and ourselves. What new reflections will emerge as we gaze into the infinite? The answer lies not just in the stars, but in the stories we tell about them and about who we are. Floating in the vast, dark expanse of space, Earth appears as a fragile oasis, a shimmering blue gem surrounded by an endless void. From this cosmic perspective, our planet seems impossibly delicate, a thin layer of atmosphere protecting us from the harshness of space. Yet within this fragility lies an extraordinary resilience. Life, in all its myriad forms, has not only survived but thrived under conditions that would seem hostile to many. The balance of temperature, the presence of water, and the protective shield of our atmosphere create the perfect cradle for existence. But how rare is this delicate equilibrium? Astrobiologists estimate that out of the countless planets in the universe, only a fraction may possess the precise conditions necessary to support life. This rarity makes Earth not just a home, but a miracle, a testament to the tenacity of life itself. Consider the extremophiles, organisms that thrive in environments once thought uninhabitable. From the scalding waters of hydrothermal vents to the frozen tundras of Antarctica, these resilient creatures defy our expectations of where life can exist. Their existence hints at the possibility of life beyond Earth, sparking curiosity about what other forms of existence might be out there, hidden in the shadows of distant worlds. The search for extraterrestrial life isn't just a scientific endeavor. It's a quest to understand our place in the universe. If life can flourish in the most extreme corners of our planet, could it also endure on the icy moons of Jupiter or the barren plains of Mars? This duality, fragility, and resilience echoes in our own lives. Like Earth, we are both delicate and enduring, vulnerable to the challenges we face yet capable of extraordinary strength. The struggles we endure, whether personal or collective, often feel overwhelming, much like the vastness of space. But just as life persists against the odds, so too can we find ways to adapt, grow, and overcome. What can the resilience of Earth's ecosystems and the tenacity of extremophiles teach us about our own capacity to endure? One powerful way to connect with this idea is through the practice of gratitude. Take a moment to reflect on the miracle of life, the air you breathe, the water that sustains you, the intricate web of connections that make existence possible. Imagine yourself as part of this larger story, a single thread in the tapestry of the universe. By cultivating gratitude, we not only acknowledge the fragility of life, but also celebrate its resilience. This practice can ground us, offering a sense of perspective and peace, even in the face of uncertainty. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, let's carry this awareness with us. The fragility and resilience of life remind us that we are part of something greater, a story of survival, adaptation, and wonder that spans the universe. What new lessons will we uncover as we explore the mysteries of existence? The answer lies in our ability to embrace both our vulnerability and our strength, finding beauty in the balance between the two. Look again at that dot. That's here, that's home, that's us. These words, spoken by Carl Sagan in his iconic reflection on the pale blue dot photograph, capture the profound humility that comes from seeing Earth as it truly is, a tiny, fragile speck adrift in the vastness of space. Taken by the Voyager 1 spacecraft from nearly 4 billion miles away, the image shows our planet as a mere pinprick of light, suspended in a sunbeam. It's a perspective that shifts everything. Suddenly, the borders we fight over, the conflicts we wage, and the divisions we create seem insignificant against the backdrop of the infinite cosmos. This is the power of the cosmic perspective, a way of seeing that transcends our individual concerns and connects us to something far greater. Astronauts who have experienced this firsthand often describe it as life-changing. Known as the overview effect, this phenomenon occurs when astronauts view Earth from space and feel an overwhelming sense of unity and interconnectedness. Edgar Mitchell, an Apollo 14 astronaut, described it as a profound sense of oneness, a recognition that we are all part of the same living system. Similarly, Chris Hadfield, who spent months aboard the International Space Station, reflected on how seeing Earth from above made him realize that the planet is not just a place we live on, it's a place we are part of. Philosophers, too, have long pondered the implications of this perspective. The ancient Stoics believed that contemplating the vastness of the universe could help us rise above petty concerns and find inner peace. More recently, thinkers like Thomas Berry have argued that seeing Earth as a single, interconnected system can inspire a deeper sense of responsibility for its care. The cosmic perspective doesn't diminish our individual lives. Instead, it reframes them, showing us how our actions ripple through the web of existence. So, how can this shift in perspective help us find meaning and purpose in our lives? For one, it reminds us that we are part of a larger story, a story that began with the Big Bang and continues to unfold across billions of years. It invites us to see our challenges not as insurmountable obstacles, but as moments in a much grander journey. When we step back and view our lives through this lens, the things that once seemed overwhelming can feel smaller, more manageable, and even beautiful in their impermanence. This realization opens the door to a powerful meditative practice, expanding awareness. Imagine sitting quietly and visualizing yourself, not just as an individual, but as part of the cosmos. Picture Earth as that pale blue dot, floating in the darkness, and feel the connection between your breath and the rhythm of the universe. This practice isn't about escaping reality, but about embracing it fully, recognizing that you are both small and significant, a single thread in the infinite tapestry of existence. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let's carry this perspective with us. The cosmic view isn't just a tool for understanding the universe. It's a way of understanding ourselves and our place within it. What new insights will emerge when we see the world and our lives through this expansive lens? The answer lies in our willingness to look beyond ourselves and embrace the boundless wonder of the infinite. The universe speaks in a language older than words, a language of numbers, shapes, and patterns. From the spiraling arms of galaxies to the delicate symmetry of a snowflake, mathematics is the hidden script that reveals the underlying order of existence. Consider the Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers where each is the sum of the two preceding ones, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on. This sequence appears everywhere in nature, from the arrangement of leaves on a stem to the spirals of a sunflower's seeds. Even the galaxies above us, with their swirling arms, follow this same mathematical blueprint. It's as if the cosmos is whispering a secret code, one that binds the smallest details of life to the grandest structures in the universe. Physicists and mathematicians have long marveled at this cosmic harmony. Albert Einstein once said, "The most incomprehensible thing about the universe is that it is comprehensible." What he meant was that the universe, for all its complexity, can be described and understood through equations and patterns. Take the golden ratio, a mathematical constant often represented by the Greek letter phi. This ratio, approximately 1.618, appears in the proportions of seashells, the branching of trees, and even the human body. It's a reminder that beauty and order are not random, but deeply embedded in the fabric of reality. Fractals, too, offer a glimpse into this universal language. These intricate, self-repeating patterns can be found in coastlines, mountain ranges, and even the branching of blood vessels in our bodies. Mathematician Benoit Mandelbrot, who coined the term fractal, described them as the geometry of nature. They reveal a stunning truth, that the universe is built on layers of complexity, each one echoing the patterns of the whole. But what does this mathematical harmony mean for us? Beyond the science, these patterns invite us to reflect on the deeper connections that bind all things. The same ratios and sequences that govern the stars also shape the world around us and within us. This realization can be both humbling and empowering, reminding us that we are not separate from the cosmos, but deeply entangled in its rhythms. What can the language of the cosmos teach us about the harmony of existence? Perhaps it's a call to recognize the patterns in our own lives, the cycles of growth, the rhythms of change, and the moments of balance that bring us peace. Meditative practices offer a way to explore this idea. Try this. Sit quietly and observe the patterns around you, the way light falls through a window, the rhythm of your breath, or the flow of a river. As you do, let these patterns guide your awareness, connecting you to the larger order of the universe. This practice isn't just about noticing the world, it's about finding harmony within it. Just as the cosmos dances to the beat of mathematical laws, we too can find balance by aligning ourselves with the natural rhythms of life. Whether it's through the golden ratio, the Fibonacci sequence, or the intricate beauty of fractals, the universe offers us a profound lesson that order and chaos, simplicity and complexity are not opposites but partners in the grand design of existence. As we continue our journey through the infinite, let's carry this awareness with us. The language of the cosmos is not just a scientific marvel, it's a reminder that we are part of a larger, beautifully ordered whole. What new patterns will we discover as we tune into the rhythms of the universe? The answer lies in our willingness to listen, to observe, and to embrace the harmony that connects us all. Energy is the invisible thread that weaves the universe together. The force that powers stars, propels galaxies, and animates every atom in existence. From the fiery heart of a star, where hydrogen fuses into helium, to the whirlpool of a black hole, where gravity bends space and time, energy is the constant, unyielding driver of all cosmic motion. It's not just a scientific concept, it's the very essence of life, the pulse that connects everything in a vast, dynamic dance. Consider the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, that fills the universe like a whisper from the dawn of time. This energy, nearly 14 billion years old, is a reminder that the universe began with an explosion of unimaginable power, a burst of energy that set everything into motion. Even now, that energy continues to shape the cosmos, driving the expansion of space and the birth of new stars. Black holes, too, are powerhouses of energy. While they are often seen as cosmic vacuums, they are also sources of immense power. The energy released as matter spirals into a black hole can outshine entire galaxies, creating quasars that light up the farthest reaches of space. And then there's the energy of stars, like our sun, which bathes our planet in light and warmth, sustaining all life on Earth. This energy doesn't just exist in isolation. It flows, transforms, and connects, creating a web of interdependence that spans the cosmos. Physicists like Nikola Tesla once described energy as the fundamental force of the universe, a force that could be harnessed and understood, but never fully contained. Spiritual teachers, too, have long spoken of energy as the life force that animates all beings, whether it's called prana, kai, or simply the breath of the universe. These perspectives, though rooted in different traditions, point to the same truth. Energy is the common thread that binds all things, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy. So, how can we align ourselves with this cosmic flow of energy? The answer lies in awareness, tuning into the rhythms of the universe and recognizing our place within them. Just as the stars and planets move in harmony with the forces around them, we too can find balance by attuning ourselves to the energy that flows through us and around us. One way to explore this idea is through the meditative practice of energy awareness. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, imagining it as a conduit for cosmic energy. With each inhale, feel yourself drawing in the light of the stars. With each exhale, release that energy back into the universe. This simple exercise can help you connect with the larger flow of existence, reminding you that you are not separate from the cosmos, but an integral part of its dance. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, let's carry this awareness with us. Energy is more than just a scientific concept. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things, a call to align ourselves with the rhythms of the cosmos. What new insights will emerge as we tune into the cosmic flow? The answer lies in our willingness to listen, to feel, and to embrace the boundless energy that animates the universe and ourselves. Long before the invention of telescopes or the birth of modern science, humanity looked to the stars and saw more than light. They saw stories. One of the most enduring tales comes from Greek mythology, where the mighty hunter Orion strides across the night sky, forever pursuing the Pleiades, a cluster of 7 sisters. But this is more than just a celestial chase. It's a narrative that has captivated storytellers for millennia. Orion's story, like so many others, reflects the human need to find meaning in the cosmos, to weave the stars into the fabric of our own lives. Across the globe, cultures have created their own myths and legends to explain the patterns of the night sky. In indigenous Australian traditions, the constellation we know as Orion is seen as a group of fishermen, their canoes made of stars. For the Lakota people of North America, the Pleiades are the 7 council fires, representing unity and the sacred bond of their nation. In Chinese mythology, the star Vega and Altair tell the tragic love story of the cowherd and the weaver girl, separated by the Milky Way and allowed to meet only once a year. These stories, though diverse in origin, share a common thread. They use the stars to explore themes of love, loss, courage, and connection. Anthropologists and historians have long studied these celestial myths, revealing their profound role in shaping human culture. They served as calendars, guiding agricultural cycles and marking the passage of time. They were moral compasses, teaching lessons about bravery, humility, and the consequences of hubris. And perhaps most importantly, they were a way to connect the mundane with the mystical, to remind us that the heavens above are not separate from the earth below, but deeply intertwined with it. What can these ancient stories teach us about our own lives? Just as the stars guided the ancients, they can guide us too, offering a mirror to our own hopes, fears, and dreams. The constellations remind us that storytelling is not just a way to explain the world, it's a way to understand ourselves. When we look up at the night sky, we're not just observing distant stars, we're tapping into a tradition as old as humanity itself, a tradition that invites us to see our lives as part of a larger narrative. This connection between the stars and our inner world can be explored through the meditative practice of storytelling. Imagine sitting under a clear night sky, letting your gaze rest on a familiar constellation. As you trace its lines, allow the myths and legends associated with it to spark your imagination. What stories does it evoke in you? What patterns do you see in your own life that mirror the tales of the stars? This practice isn't about finding definitive answers, but about opening a dialogue with the universe and, in turn, with yourself. The stars, in their timeless brilliance, offer us a unique opportunity to explore our own narratives. They remind us that the universe is not just out there, it's within us, a part of our very being. As we continue this journey through the cosmos, let's carry this awareness with us, allowing the stories of the stars to guide our understanding of both the universe and ourselves. What new tales will emerge as we gaze into the infinite? The answer lies not just in the stars, but in the stories we tell about them and about who we are. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, life is a seed tiny, fragile, yet brimming with potential. Planted in the fertile soil of the universe, it is nurtured by the elements of creation: stardust, water, light, and the silent pull of gravity. Like a seedling reaching for the sun, life emerges in the most unexpected places, defying the odds and thriving against the backdrop of an infinite void. This is the cosmic garden, a place where the conditions for existence are both miraculous and rare, yet filled with the promise of possibility. Scientists have long marveled at the delicate balance required for life to take root. On Earth, this balance is a symphony of precise conditions: a stable atmosphere, liquid water, and just the right distance from the sun. But what about beyond our planet? The discovery of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars, has sparked a revolution in our understanding of where life might exist. Some of these planets, like those in the TRAPPIST-1 system, lie within their star's habitable zone, where temperatures could allow water to flow. Others, like the icy moons Europa and Enceladus, hide vast oceans beneath their frozen surfaces, hinting at environments where life might thrive in darkness. Biologists and astrobiologists are at the forefront of this exploration, studying the resilience of life in Earth's most extreme environments to understand how it might survive elsewhere. From the scorching heat of hydrothermal vents to the freezing deserts of Antarctica, life persists in ways that challenge our imagination. These discoveries not only expand our sense of what's possible, but also fuel the hope that life, in some form, exists beyond our blue planet. Yet, the cosmic garden is not just a place of scientific inquiry. It's a metaphor for our own existence. Just as a seed carries the potential for growth, so too do we carry within us the seeds of curiosity, creativity, and connection. What does it mean to be a part of this vast, interconnected garden? Perhaps it's a reminder that we are both small and significant, a single thread in the intricate web of life that spans the cosmos. This realization invites us to reflect on our role in nurturing growth, not just within ourselves, but in the world around us. Just as the universe provides the elements for life to flourish, we too can cultivate the conditions for growth through kindness, understanding, and a sense of wonder. Imagine sitting quietly, visualizing yourself as a seed in the cosmic garden. Feel the warmth of starlight, the nourishment of cosmic dust, and the gentle pull of gravity guiding your growth. This meditative practice isn't just about connecting with the universe. It's about recognizing the potential within you to grow, to thrive, and to contribute to the beauty of existence. As we ponder the mysteries of the cosmic garden, we are reminded that life, in all its forms, is a testament to the resilience and creativity of the universe. What new discoveries await us as we explore the possibilities of life beyond Earth? The answer lies in our willingness to nurture the seeds of curiosity and hope, allowing them to bloom in the fertile soil of the infinite. The universe is a grand clock, its hands moving to the rhythm of cycles that span from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. Everywhere we look, we see patterns of motion, planets orbiting stars, stars swirling in galaxies, and galaxies themselves dancing in the vast cosmic web. These rhythms are not random. They are the heartbeat of existence, a symphony of order that has played out since the dawn of time. Even here on Earth, we are deeply entwined with these cycles, our days marked by the rising and setting of the sun, our years defined by the tilt of our planet as it journeys around its star. One of the most fascinating examples of cosmic timekeeping is the precession of the equinoxes, a slow wobble in Earth's rotation that takes about 26,000 years to complete. This cycle, first observed by ancient astronomers, affects the position of the stars in our sky and has shaped calendars, myths, and even spiritual traditions. The Mayans, for instance, used this cycle to create their long count calendar, which marked the passage of vast epochs. Similarly, the life cycles of stars, birth, growth, and death, mirror the rhythms of life on Earth, reminding us that everything, from the smallest organism to the largest celestial body, is part of an intricate dance of creation and renewal. Philosophers and astronomers alike have long been captivated by these cosmic rhythms. The Greek philosopher Heraclitus famously said, "Everything flows," a reflection on the ever-changing nature of existence. Modern scientists echo this sentiment, describing the universe as a dynamic system where change is the only constant. These cycles, though vast and often imperceptible, are not distant or abstract. They are woven into the fabric of our lives. The changing seasons, the waxing and waning of the moon, even the cycles of our own bodies, All are reflections of the larger patterns that govern the cosmos. So, how can we align ourselves with these rhythms? One way is through the practice of mindfulness, tuning into the natural cycles that surround us. Imagine starting your day by observing the sunrise, feeling the warmth of its light as it heralds a new beginning. Or perhaps you might spend a quiet evening under the stars, letting the phases of the moon guide your reflections. These simple acts can help us reconnect with the larger rhythms of the universe, grounding us in a sense of harmony and balance. This alignment isn't just about observing the external world. It's about recognizing the cycles within ourselves. Just as the universe expands and contracts, so too do our own lives move through periods of growth, rest, and renewal. By embracing these rhythms, we can find a deeper sense of peace and purpose, knowing that we are part of a larger, beautifully orchestrated whole. As we continue this journey through the cosmos, let's take a moment to truly feel these rhythms, both within and around us. The cosmic clock is not just a scientific concept. It's a reminder that we are part of a timeless dance, one that invites us to move in harmony with the universe itself. What new insights will emerge when we sync our lives with the cycles of the cosmos? The answer lies in our willingness to listen, to feel, and to embrace the boundless rhythms that connect us all. The universe is more than a collection of stars and galaxies. It's a boundless canvas for imagination, a place where the limits of possibility dissolve into the infinite. Every star, every planet, every swirling nebula is a brushstroke in a masterpiece that stretches beyond comprehension. Yet, this cosmic art isn't static. It's alive, evolving, and inviting us to dream alongside it. Just as the cosmos creates and transforms, so too does human imagination, weaving stories, ideas, and visions that push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Throughout history, the universe has inspired some of humanity's most profound works of creativity. Science fiction authors like Arthur C. Clarke and Ursula K. Le Guin have painted futures where humanity ventures among the stars, exploring worlds that challenge our understanding of life and existence. Their stories, though fictional, are rooted in the awe and wonder of the cosmos, reflecting our innate desire to explore the unknown. Similarly, artists like Vincent van Gogh found inspiration in the night sky, capturing its mystery and beauty in works like Starry Night. These creative expressions remind us that imagination is not just a tool for storytelling. It's a bridge between the known and the unknown, a way to connect with the infinite. But imagination isn't confined to the arts. Scientists, too, rely on it to unlock the secrets of the universe. Albert Einstein famously said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the world. It was his ability to envision the bending of space and time that led to the theory of relativity, forever changing our understanding of reality. Carl Sagan, with his vivid descriptions of the pale blue dot, used imagination to help us see Earth not just as a planet, but as a fragile home in the vastness of space. These visionaries remind us that imagination is not a departure from science, but a vital part of it, a way to explore what lies beyond the edges of our understanding. What can the cosmos teach us about the power of dreaming? Perhaps it's this: just as the universe is a place of infinite possibility, so too is the human mind. When we dream, we tap into that same creative force that shapes galaxies and birth stars. We become cosmic dreamers, weaving our own stories into the fabric of existence. This isn't just about envisioning distant worlds or futuristic technologies. It's about seeing ourselves as part of something greater, as creators and explorers in our own right. To cultivate this sense of cosmic dreaming, try this meditative practice. Sit quietly and close your eyes. Picture the universe not as it is, but as it could be, a place of endless wonder and possibility. Let your mind wander, free from the constraints of logic or fear. What visions emerge? What stories do you see unfolding in the stars? This exercise isn't about finding answers. It's about opening your mind to the infinite, allowing yourself to dream without limits. The cosmos invites us to imagine, to create, and to explore. It reminds us that the boundaries of reality are not fixed but fluid, shaped by the power of our thoughts and the depth of our curiosity. As we continue this journey through the infinite, let's carry this awareness with us, allowing the universe to inspire not just our understanding, but our dreams. What new horizons will we discover when we dare to imagine the unimaginable? The answer lies in the boundless creativity of the cosmic dreamer within us all. The most beautiful and profound emotion we can experience is the sensation of the mystical. It is the sower of all true science. These words, spoken by Albert Einstein, capture the essence of a truth that spans both science and spirituality. The idea that at the heart of the universe lies a mystery that transcends our understanding. For centuries, humanity has sought to explore the cosmos through the lens of reason, uncovering its laws and patterns. Yet, alongside this rational inquiry, there has always been a parallel quest, a search for meaning, for connection, for a sense of belonging to something greater than ourselves. This duality between the measurable and the immeasurable has long fascinated thinkers who bridge the worlds of science and spirituality. Pierre Teilhard de Chardin, a Jesuit priest and paleontologist, envisioned the universe as a living, evolving entity, moving toward a state of unity he called the Omega Point. He believed that the cosmos was not just a collection of matter, but a tapestry of consciousness, woven together by both physical and spiritual forces. Similarly, modern physicists working on the theory of everything seek to unify the laws of nature, hoping to reveal a single framework that explains everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. Could this quest for unity in science echo a deeper, spiritual longing for connection? Consider the concept of cosmic consciousness, the idea that the universe itself is aware, that it possesses a kind of intelligence or intentionality. While this notion may seem mystical, it finds surprising parallels in quantum physics, where particles appear to know each other's states across vast distances, a phenomenon known as entanglement. These discoveries challenge our traditional divide between the material and the spiritual, suggesting that the cosmos is not just a place of physical laws, but also a realm of profound interconnectedness. So, how can we find harmony between the rational and the mystical? How can we embrace the insights of science while remaining open to the mysteries that lie beyond its reach? One way is to see these perspectives not as opposites, but as complementary two sides of the same cosmic coin. Science gives us the tools to explore the outer universe, while spirituality invites us to explore the inner universe, the realm of meaning, purpose, and connection. Together, they offer a fuller picture of existence, one that honors both the measurable and the immeasurable. This integration of knowledge and intuition can be explored through a simple meditative practice. Begin by sitting quietly and focusing on your breath. As you inhale, visualize yourself drawing in the insights of science, the laws of physics, the beauty of mathematics, the vastness of the cosmos. With each exhale, release into the realm of intuition, the sense of awe, wonder, and connection that transcends explanation. Allow these two streams of awareness to merge, creating a sense of harmony within you. As we continue this journey through the infinite, let's carry this awareness with us. The cosmic connection between science and spirituality is not just an intellectual concept. It's an invitation to explore the deeper dimensions of existence, to find unity in the midst of diversity, and to embrace the mystery that lies at the heart of the universe. What new insights will emerge when we bridge the rational and the mystical? The answer lies in our willingness to embrace both, allowing them to guide us toward a deeper understanding of the cosmos and of ourselves. As we bring this meditative odyssey through the infinite cosmos to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the profound insights we've uncovered. From the birth of stars to the mysterious depths of black holes, from the delicate balance of light and darkness to the timeless rhythms of the universe, we've explored not just the wonders of the cosmos, but also the depths of our own inner worlds. The journey has reminded us that the universe is not just a vast expanse of space and time. It's a mirror, reflecting our deepest questions, dreams, and connections. Carl Sagan once said, "The cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff." This simple yet profound truth captures the essence of what we've discovered, that the stars above and the atoms within us share the same origin, the same story. We are not separate from the universe. We are an integral part of its grand design. This realization invites us to see ourselves not as isolated beings, but as threads in a cosmic tapestry, woven together by the forces of creation and the rhythms of existence. The meditative practices we've explored along the way, visualizing the stars, tuning into the silence of space, and embracing the cycles of the cosmos, are more than just tools for relaxation. They are gateways to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. By connecting with the infinite, we've found moments of peace, clarity, and inspiration, reminding us that the mysteries of the cosmos are not just out there, they are within us, waiting to be discovered. As we conclude this journey, let's carry this awareness with us. The universe is not just a place to explore, it's a source of endless wonder and possibility. Whether you're gazing at the stars, meditating under the night sky, or simply pausing to reflect on the beauty of existence, remember that you are part of something greater, a story that began with the Big Bang and continues to unfold with every breath you take. To close, let's turn to the words of the poet Rumi. "You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop." This beautiful metaphor reminds us that within each of us lies the infinite, a connection to the cosmos that transcends time and space. May this journey inspire you to continue exploring, to keep asking questions, and to find your own ways of connecting with the universe. Before we part, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What moments from this odyssey resonated with you the most? How has the cosmos inspired your own meditative practices? Share your reflections in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey, consider subscribing for more explorations into the infinite. Together, let's keep discovering the wonders of the cosmos and the beauty within ourselves. Until next time, may your skies be clear, your mind open, and your heart full of wonder.